This hydropower plant has attracted attention for its remarkable achievement since it introduced the automatic tube cleaning system (ATCS) in its upgrading project. As the largest engineering project in that country, the hydropower plant has gradually installed and put into use the ATCS since 2018. The system automatically starts every 4 hours to precisely clean each tube in a heat exchanger, and each cleaning cycle takes less than 1 minute. This simple automated operation has completely changed the traditional manual cleaning method that required monthly shutdowns. It fundamentally solves the problem of pipe scaling or fouling, ensuring that the heat exchange pipes always remain clean and operate at optimal heat exchange efficiency. Since the gradual adoption of the automatic cleaning system, the actual results have been remarkable. Currently, 6 out of 10 systems have been installed. Practical experience has shown that this not only significantly reduces the labor-intensive manual cleaning work of the heat exchanger, but also saves the power plant approximately 600,000 local currency in costs each year. Looking at the power generation data, the total power generation of the hydropower plant in 2022 increased by 1.1% compared to 2021. The equivalent availability factor, EAF, has remained above 90%, and the forced outage rate, FOR, has been kept below 1%. The application of the automatic tube cleaning system provides strong support for the stable and efficient power generation of the hydropower plant. It also serves as a successful example for the upgrading and transformation of other power plants.